Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. I hope you guys are all doing okay. So I just want to jump right in. So these are the ingredients that I'm using today. I hope you guys can find them pretty easy. I just want to do this because it's winter season and my lips have always been very chapped during this season. So yeah, keep on watching. Hey guys, so I just want to stop in really fast. I did a little bit of research. So I looked up castor oil. It's really considered safe for your skin and lips. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil helps retain skin moisture by preventing water loss through the outer layer of your skin. I have iron deficiency anemia, so during the winter my lips are even more cracked because of obviously the winter, so my lips really lack its extra moisture, I guess, so it can be really difficult to eat or smell or to even like go outside for a really long time. So using this scrub is very great on my lips and it's really lasting. I can do a video on my favorite lip glosses and just lip products because I have a ton. I usually drop a lot of money on them. And then I also did some research on lemon and sugar products which help lighten your lips naturally pink. So yeah, I just use lemon juice instead of actually cutting a lemon open. I really hope this helps you guys. So I'm starting off with a clear bowl, and you guys keep watching. I put in, I think, like 2 or 3. Okay, yeah, I only put in 2 scoops of sugar, and I would advise you guys to put at least like 4 to 5 if you want like a thicker consistency for your lip scrub. And then I'm just gonna be going in with some honey. I think 1 to 2, no, like 2 to 3 if you want it real sweet. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep adding every single one of the ingredients, and this is just the first one that I'm doing. I'm gonna do a second one without olive oil because when I was putting it on my lips and like tried it, it didn't taste good at all. So the second time I'm gonna do this will be with my Carmax jar, and it'll have more honey and more sugar. And yeah, guys, just keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe too. Love you guys. So using a toothpick is really essential just to like mix everything together. And I liked putting a lot of sugar in my product so it's like really thick and consistency is yummy. So here is the lip scrub. I'm just gonna put it on my lips for you guys. Alright, so I just wanted to get a closer look so you guys can see it better. But I'm just rubbing it around my lips and I'm making that face so it gets on really well. But yeah, just make sure to leave it on for 5 minutes, or you can leave it on for 10 to 15. So yeah, it's all up to you. So before I put anything on my lips, I put a little bit of honey on my toothbrush and just rub that around my lips. And after I washed out the scrub, after 5 minutes of leaving it on, I did the exact same thing, and honestly, it feels really refreshing after I put it on. Like, my lips are plump and they feel amazing. So I hope this really helps any of you guys. I love you guys so much, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.